The owner of a house infested with mice decided to adopt a cat, something terrible for the rodents who could no longer have a free-for-all in the house. Whenever they tried to go out to get something to eat, they were chased by the merciless feline. A mice assembly had to be called, because the crisis was severe, and it was urgent to find a solution to the problem. Then a mouse had a new idea. It suggested to put a rattle on the cat's gutter so that they would know when the feline was near. All the mice celebrated, as the idea sounded great and would certainly be the mice's salvation. But amidst all the celebrating, one mouse raised a question. Who would put the rattle inside the cat? At that moment, everyone broke down and all the joy was smashed. Melancholy gripped the mice's den, and the assembly dissolved without a solution. Moral of the story? Talking is easy. Acting is difficult.